In order to perform the hard reset of the LG Q7, we first need to power it off.
Time goes by and I'm thinking more about you now. Then my mind grows tired of trying to figure it out. What I did wrong, cause I keep on blaming myself. Like how you fell for someone else.
Once it's shut down, keep holding the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the LG logo pops up. Then release the power button and press it again. While in the factory data options, press yes and again yes.
Come on, take my love from me. I don't want it anymore. Set a fire to my heart. Take my love from me. I don't need another tear to remind me.
Your LG Q7 is now reset to its factory settings.